Dramatic scenes were witnessed in Haryana's Karnal after hundreds of agitating protesters stormed the rally spot, vandalizing the dais from which Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar was meant to speak on the benefits of farm laws. Here's a report.
Vandalism, water cannons, tear gas. Violent scenes were witnessed in Haryana's Karnal ahead of Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar's Mahapanchayat rally in Kamla village. Protesting farmers stormed the venue in a bid to prevent Chief Minister's address to farmers in favor of 3 farm laws. They vandalized the dais erected for the Chief Minister and even stormed the helipad. To stop the huge crowd from reaching the stage, Haryana police cracked down on agitating protesters at a nearby toll plaza. Protesters unfazed marched towards the stage, through fields and targeted the Mahapanchayat venue. Many protesters even stormed the helipad meant for Chief Minister's chopper, preventing its landing despite repeated efforts.
कोई भी बीजेपी का मंत्री या मुख्यमंत्री या विधायकों का कोई प्रोग्राम है जिसमें वो किसानों की बात करने आ रहे हैं और काले कानूनों को ये कहने आ रहे हैं भी ये अच्छे हैं, उसका हम हर स्तर पर विरोध करेंगे.
We are in Kamla village of Karnal, where Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar was scheduled to address a Kisan Mahapanchayat. We can see this is the scene at the Kamla village where a stage was prepared from where Chief Minister was scheduled to address the people. On my right side you can see there are broken chairs, there are broken tables, broken flower pots which were thrown by the protesters, believed to be between 500 to 600 in numbers.
Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar was forced to cancel his farmer outreach rally.
हमने कभी भी इन तथाकथित किसान नेताओं के जो वक्तव्य हैं उनको कभी रोका नहीं. उनके जो आंदोलन चल रहे हैं वो चल ही रहे हैं और उसमें तो बल्कि वहाँ पर इतनी भीड़ होने के बाद, कोविड होने के बाद भी जहाँ वहाँ इतनी भीड़ है उसमें व्यवस्थाओं में बहुत से काम हमने किए हैं. ये अच्छा नहीं कि कोई अपनी बात को कहना चाहे और हम किसी दूसरे का विरोध करें. ये लोकतंत्र का तकाजा नहीं है.
The farmers are now chasing the BJP leaders, and within 2 days, 2 such incidents have been reported in BJP-ruled Haryana. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjeet Sehgal in Karnal for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.